This video is going to show you how to access the Desmos lessons that are housed on Schoology. We're going to start by going to Schoology.com and logging in with your district email. Once you log in, you're going to go to Groups, and you're going to look for the DPSCD Math 912 Resources Group. Over on the left-hand side, you should see updates, discussions, albums. We are going to click on resources. Once there, you should see two options. The first is general resources. So this is going to be the non-course specific resources for teachers. And then the teacher option. These are the chapter specific planning resources for teachers. So let's click on teacher. This first folder says Desmos Collections, and if you click on that folder, you'll see all of the activities or collections per content. So let's go with Algebra 1 Desmos Collection. When you click on it, you see this collection doesn't have any activities yet. You may be a little confused, right? I notice I'm not signed in, so let me try signing in with my Desmos account. Notice now that I'm signed in, there are 9 activities. Do you notice that these activities are all tagged by CPM? I will not have access to these activities if they are tagged by CPM and I am not logged in. So you want to make sure that you are logged into Desmos using your district email to have access to the collections. So notice we have 1.1.1 all the way to the chapter 1 closure. Again, this video is just a demonstration of how to access the Desmos activities that are housed on Schoology.